An accurate and efficient order management system is key to streamline e-commerce operations. Unfortunately, 43% of small business owners still count inventory by hand, rely on pen and paper, oh my goodness, and manually key in data. Yikes. The time spent managing or fixing fulfillment issues is time that you could spend on activities that help your business grow, right? Whether it's coming up with new product ideas or growing your brand.
So let's talk about inventory management and how WooCommerce and a few handy extensions create a streamlined order management flow for your e-commerce business. Starting off with understanding inventory management and demand planning. Now, always having the right stock at the right time and in the correct quantity can be challenging. It involves being in control of how inventory is stored, knowing how much product you have for sale, knowing what to reorder, and having the right order cycles. Now, that's a lot for a small to medium-sized business to handle, especially when you're managing everything else in your life while also trying to grow your business, as Emma said. And if you're also finding success in your marketing efforts, being exposed to those opportunities mean your inventory management systems need to be able to keep up. It only takes one video or post to become popular, and then all of a sudden, you're sold out.
While being out of stock might sound like a good thing for you, it doesn't take much for your customers to go and look elsewhere. But if you're ordering too much, well, yeah, you'll have dead stock that will just sit on your shelves and collect dust. Many business owners will rely on perceived past performance and sort of do a good guesstimate as to when it's time to order or reorder more inventory. Now, others use quantitative methods, like, for example, where decisions are made based on how products have performed in the past. But to do this, you need to have accurate data on hand, which can be a little tricky if you're working with manual systems that are susceptible to human error. Now, the easiest way to get this right is to invest in inventory management software. This way, you're more likely to order stock that sells. And the best part is the software can crunch the numbers for you.
Now, there are a number of ways to manage inventory for your WooCommerce store, from manual to fully automated solutions. You need to choose the approach that best suits you, your business, and your budget. And now, while Excel is a good low-cost solution for startups, I use it day to day. Once a business begins to scale and grow in complexity, something so manual can quickly turn into a cumbersome process that will end up costing you hours of wasted time. And if you find that you're struggling with your current method, then it's probably time to upgrade.
That's right, Neely. And there are a number of tried and tested inventory management extensions available in the WooCommerce.com marketplace. Let's start off with sequential order numbers. By default, WooCommerce assigns random order numbers to each order. Now, if you want your orders in chronological order, the Sequential Orders Pro extension is what you need. And the plugin offers the same functionality as the native features in the Managed WordPress e-commerce hosting plan. You also have the ability to choose a starting order number and to add a prefix or suffix to the order numbers.
And if you don't have our hosting plan, another option to implement sequential orders into your store is to use Order Status Manager. For some businesses, the default WooCommerce order statuses may not suit their workflow. With the WooCommerce Order Status Manager plugin, you can create custom order statuses in workflows, enabling your business to process orders efficiently. You can also use the extension to create a next status flow. With this tool, you can add an action button to your order pages and bulk actions to your orders dashboard. And you'll also have the option to add one from scratch or to import one. The latter works if you already have created custom order statuses using another plugin or code snippet.
WooCommerce only autocompletes paid orders for products that are both downloadable and virtual. And depending on your store, you may have other types of orders that you want to automatically complete. And with the Order Status Control extension, you control which types of paid orders automatically receive a completed status. And when an order set to autocomplete is paid, it skips the processing status and goes right to the completed status. And this helps streamline order administration for those that don't require any action on your part between the different steps.
Fortunately, WooCommerce provides a straightforward and easy to use platform for managing your e-commerce orders. It allows you to automate repetitive work and gives you clear details about current inventory levels and orders that needed attention. Now, that's a wrap, but your journey doesn't have to end here because we have over 300 videos for you to watch.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is The Journey.